Hey, what's up, guys? This is a DeFi enthusiast here, and today I've got a life-changing video for you. I think you guys could be making a lot of money right now with what I'm about to tell you. Again, this isn't financial advice, but it is because I've taken a chance on these things, so I'm just telling you about these uh, opportunities as well. So let's get into the video right now. What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having an amazing day because today I've got a video for you guys that is going to, I think, it's going to benefit you in many, many ways, guys. So you are reading that price correctly, guys. This is yearn.finance. YFI is a ticker. It's a yield farming coin. Now, what is yield farming, guys? Yield farming is this massive, massive thing where you pull your cryptos and you earn and dividends and whatnot, and it's crazy. Yield farming is like the hottest niche, sub-niche in DeFi. And to anybody who thinks that DeFi was a bubble or is a bubble, well, it might be, but you might just want to ride the wave right now. Because look at this, guys. On July 21st, this coin, the YFI coin, Yearn Finance coin, was $739. Okay? And then went to an all-time high on August 31st of $39,306. Right now, it's at 30 sitting at this time of the recording, is sitting at 34,535. Guys, I wish I knew about this at that point, and if I just put in, because I had the money to get a bunch of these at that time, had I known, oh, I could have been making so much money right now. It's ridiculous. Look at the price, guys. This has been our beloved Bitcoin. And to anyone that thinks that DeFi is a bubble, well, check this out, guys. Binance has announced Yearn Finance to be a part of the Binance, on Binance, actually. And Yearn Finance is finally on Binance. That rhymes, okay? And, I had the article saved for you guys, but I think that one was, I'm just gonna write Yearn Finance Binance, okay? Yeah, there we go. Binance. All right. This is the research that Binance research did on this. So Binance will list Yearn Finance in open trading for YFI and BNB, YFI BTC and YFI BUSD, Binance USD, and YFI and Tether trading pairs at 2020-08-10. So users can now start depositing YFI in preparation for trading. There's going to be margin trading and all. So is DeFi a bubble? I think that should answer your question. I mean, it could be, but the thing is that even Binance has listed this mammoth of a coin right now, which is sitting on 24 on CoinMarketCap right now. But so I know you guys must be like, well, how much higher could it go? I think it could go even much higher, but I'm not invested in this coin. However, I am invested in a similar project called YFFI, which is a yield farming project. The yield farming niche is huge, guys. I mean, I literally saw a token called Walnut Finance. And I was laughing my head off, but that could do well too. But what is YFFI? It's also got your yield farming. It's a yield farming platform. Use it at your own risk. There's a proof of burn every time these tokens are used to using the farming. The supply obviously decreases, right? If you click on proof of burn, so YFFI token governance, this is the proof of pool 1, pool 2, pool 3. You can use these tokens to, yield farm, like see this is the Yearn support tokens curve.fi, Balancer, YFFI, and DAI. Balance, these are all the liquidity pools, okay, on YFFI. Now, YFFI, at the current time, I'm just going to refresh this right now in front of you, okay? So sitting at $335. Guys, I got its all-time low was 6 cents on August 13th. I wish I knew about it. How crazy is that? But, it's just been reaching all-time highs ever since. It's just been on fire. I bought this coin yesterday at, I think, less than $100. Or day before yesterday, yes, day before yesterday. I bought it at about $60 or $70, okay? And I got 14 tokens, and I'm going to show them to you right now, what the price is showing here. $5,200 worth, guys. I took out a bunch of my coins from my portfolio, like even some of the ones that I believed in, and I put it into this. Is it a high risk, high reward? Yeah, to an extent. But I also have YFFI. I bought this coin at, I think it was $35, and now it's $75. So I got a bit of these as well, and we can look at YFFI right now. Where it's at? Okay, it went a little bit down. It's at $69. Still not bad. I'm still in profit with this one. And what is YFFI? YFFI is another yield farming platform. Okay, now if we check it out, this one has a much better interface. However, it's got a total supply of 2,446,012 coins. I still think it's going to do great. Okay, YFFI. But YFFI, on the other hand, has a total max supply of 30,000 coins. That's the same amount of supply, pretty much close to YFI. Okay, which was the first one, which went up to 38K, 39K, sorry. And I think YFFI has got massive potential too, and people are seeing that the yield farming niche is hot. So, I mean, ride the wave, guys. That's the way I see it. If you can't make money even in this market right now, I don't know how you guys are not doing something right. Okay, so I personally showed you this is what I own, in terms of YFFI and YFFI. You guys can get these coins on Uniswap, by the way. Okay, Uniswap is the place, and the easiest thing to do is when you go to Uniswap, right? So let's say you wanted to get the YFFI coin, all right? So what you would do is, okay, you would actually, so you go to the home page, okay? So you click on stake. You can stake whatever's on here, but this is this is my wallet, all right? And this is, so let's say you go here, okay? You go on CoinMarketCap, you go to market pairs, okay? Now it's going to show you the Uniswap link, okay? It's available on a bunch of these, but I use Uniswap to get this. So I click on this pair, YFFI to WETH, okay? Now I had Ethereum, I didn't have WETH, or I didn't have Rapid Ethereum. However, wait, why isn't it going to the link? Okay, that's weird, because initially so let's say you wanted to click on YFFI, you can't find it, okay? So you got to look at the token address for this thing, all right? Now the thing is with YFFI is that I think if you join their Twitter or their Discord group, you'll get the link. You'll get the link to their token, okay? The Ethereum, on Etherscan. However, you can still look for it on Etherscan, but there could be some duplicates. So the best way is I'm just going to show you when I got the token, okay? So I click here. I go to my view on Etherscan, okay? I'll tell you what, guys, because I'm nice enough, I'm going to put the contract link for YFFI here, so that you guys don't have to go anywhere else, okay? It's going to be in the description of the video once the video is out. So we copy this link, all right? We copy the token contract. We go to Uniswap, okay? Oh, good. Now it's finally opened up. That's great. Now it's finally opened up. Yeah, sorry, I clicked on it, so it obviously opened up. But if you guys can't find it, I'm just going to do this from scratch, okay, just to show it to you. So we go to Uniswap, all right. Link for this for the address for YFFI is going to be in the description box. I'm just telling you that once again. All right. So now we go to launch app. All right. Now we've got the Ethereum here. Okay. Now we click on select token. Now we paste the address from Etherscan here. See, now it shows YFFI. There we go. You click it, then you can just buy more of it. And that's the same thing that you do with anything else. Okay, guys? Like for example, let's say you wanted YFFI, right? So if you wanted this coin, all right, you can click on stake. These are all the things. These are all the staking pools for various coins. Okay, and see now see it's written token contract. You click on token contract. All right, and there we go. There's your token contract for YFFI. Okay, and now you go back to Uniswap. All right, Now let's say you wanted this token, you copy paste that address, and there you go. You've got your YFFI here. You can now buy it. It's that simple. I'm going to leave the links for both of these in the description box, okay? So these yield farming coins are hot right now. They're hot like anything. They're being bought in huge amounts. There's a great earning opportunity. There's a great staking opportunity in yield farming. Yield farming is a big risk, guys. I'm not going to recommend it. However, I'm holding the coins because the amount of transactions that are taking place on these platforms is also increasing the value of the coins, and things are going berserk and crazy. As you can see, I've made a massive profit here. I think I invested a total of I think I invested about $1,700, I think. And look where I'm at. Or no, sorry, I invested about more than $2,000, and I'm already here, 5,307. So you guys can clearly see the potential, right? Here on this one, I invested about $600, and I'm already on 1,092 bucks. So you guys can clearly see what the potential is, guys. And with the more things that are being staked here, the more of the fees that are burning, the more the platforms are being used, the more the value of these things are increasing. And of course, with the with the amount of circulating supply, of these coins, plus the total supply not being too much, they're going crazy in prices. Okay, so this is where the bull run is actually taking place right now. It's in the yield farming niche, yield farming scenario in cryptos, which is a sub niche of the DeFi space. Very, very huge, guys. Huge opportunities. Okay, I still think you can make a lot of money. I mean, this thing can go much higher right now. Even YFFI itself, the Finance can go way, way higher than what it's priced at right now, because it's also only got a total supply of 30K coins. But look at the potential with YFFI right now. In terms of that, right? And I think this is an incredible opportunity, guys, for you guys. But what else is out there? What else am I invested in? What else can I recommend that I feel, okay, not financial advice, just my personal opinion. So let's look at this coin, guys. This is called openpredict token. Okay, now what is openpredict, guys? I'll tell you. Right now, it's sitting at, let's see the current price. Okay, openpredict is sitting at $10.59. Okay, and it's got a maximum supply of 9,900,000 coins and a circulating supply of 998,478. Really, really little supply, guys. Supply, demand. That's the game, guys. So what is this token? So openpredict, turn your live predictions into liquid assets. Prediction markets are capital intensive. Openpredict adds secondary market to live predictions, making it possible to enter or exit before an event concludes. A new frontier for DeFi. 3, there's hundreds of billions of dollars locked in predictions and options. openpredict is the first DeFi protocol to turn live predictions into liquid assets. The protocol generates a smart contract system for every event. 1 acts as an escrow for event predictors. 2nd, contract mints tokens that represent correct predictors. And 3rd, contract mint tokens that represent incorrect predictors. So basically, you're getting paid for your predictions, guys. I mean, in a speculative market like crypto, that's great news. It's like, you got a new job here. I mean, this is their roadmap, guys, for Q4. In Q4 of 2020, Trust Predict, despite the popularity of the trustless aspect of smart contracts, there is still no simplistic UI where 2 or more parties can make a prediction on anything without the need for a middleman. Trust Predict is a simple dApp that enables 1 or more parties to make a prediction on anything with a simple and easy form-like measure to explain reward situation. This enables everyday users who lack smart contract coding knowledge to easily launch a prediction without having to trust a middleman. Pretty big opportunity here, guys. This is DeFi, Get in, ask questions later. Honestly. openpredict protocol beta, this is going to be in Q1 of 2021. Core functions are live with event creation managed by team. This feature will gradually be phased out. Okay. Trust Predict margin. It's common for cryptocurrency predictors to keep most of their wealth in Ethereum or Bitcoin. This leads to long-term predicts having different values than intended. Some predictors have to either sell their assets and lose on the potential upside. Others end up making an escrow that forces them to deposit an asset that can end up being worth much more than they intended to risk. TrustPredict 2.0 will provide a unique solution to the vast portion of crypto predictors hodl an asset, claim a smart contract-based loan on it, and make a prediction. The OSwap, all O and IO tokens will be traded on Uniswap, enabling fees for minters. However, Uniswap's 0.3% fee may make rapid trading of O or IO tokens discouraging. OSwap will be a network dedicated to the trade of O and IO tokens of every event launched via the openpredict protocol. OSwap will have 0.15% fee, which is half of Uniswap 0.3% fee. And initiation OPT tokens will be airdropped to minters who create liquidity on OSwap to drive more usage to OSwap. Okay? TrustPredict lending. Okay, this is also going to take. Initially, TrustPredict lending will be enabled through SDKs provided by existing crypto lending platforms. However, by Q2 of 2021, this facility will be internalized. Lenders will be able to provide stable coins to finance the collateralized predictions on TrustPredict. Okay, this is big things coming for this project, guys. OpenPredict Protocol DAO team forgoes the right to decide which events and options like markets can be the predictions be open to. Instead, a DAO held by token holders decides which events are qualified for a robust prediction market. Multi-chain trust prediction is in Q4 of 2021, quarter 4 of 2021. A year after TrustPredict launch on Ethereum, the high demand product will be extended to additional blockchains, with Polkadot being the first expansion horizon. Q4 of 2021 will be the deadline for this goal. You guys know how bullish I am on Polkadot. I'll do a video on it very soon. I really like the project. I think it's huge. If active addresses on Polkadot show signs of rapid growth early on, this goal may be prioritized to ensure early market share on Polkadot. Massive opportunity with this one, guys. Minting fee. For each event, all participants pay a 1% minting fee. Minting fees are used to buy back OPT for the market and then burn them. So this token gets burned, and obviously it's going to go up in value as well, right? Escrow maintenance fee. At the time of pool distribution to the token holders, the event 1% is deducted prior to distribution. This escrow maintenance fee is distributed to OPT stakers. Okay, again, more earning incentives. OSwap discounts. OSwap trading fees are 0.15%, but this only applies if the traders hold OPT tokens. If fees are paid without OPT tokens, the fee is 0.2%. This 25% discount incentivizes active predictors to constantly hold OPT. So it gives you a hodl mentality for this coin. I hope that makes sense. You know, another great reason why you should be investing in this. Just my personal opinion, not financial advice. I don't have the coin yet, but I will soon. I'm telling you this right now. You know, I'm being very, very transparent here. TrustPredict maintenance fee. TrustPredict will charge a trustless escrow fee of 0.5% for predictions that are shorter than 3 months, and 1% for predictions that are longer than 3 months. If the prediction fee is paid in OPT tokens, the fee receives a 25% discount. If fees are paid in OPT, tokens are burned. If they are paid in any other digital asset, the tokens are distributed to OPT stakers. Great incentives, guys. I mean, look at the project. I mean, you know, you guys can look at everything here regarding the token metrics. And the core team is Oliver NG. Oliver started his career in investment with real estate, but quickly established himself as an angel investor in the crypto space. He's a long-established member of various cryptocurrency communities, involvement with exchanges and industry firms, and has a strong get stuff done attitude. Lorenzo Stroyo is an editor, journalist, and financial writer for major publications like FX Street and Crypto Ticker. He has been part of the blockchain industry since 2012 and has successfully helped numerous projects like Switch Ghost to grow and reach success. We know Switch/Ghost did really well, actually, you know, during its initial run. Fahad Shahid has a business-oriented spirit and ambitious vision. At just the age of 18, he designed the digitization strategy for one of Canada's largest retailers. Later on, Fahad went on to co-found a rapidly growing cryptocurrency-based media outlet. He's a proven salesman and dealmaker in both cold and warm markets. Tag Riordan, I don't know how to pronounce that name, guys, is a co-developer on the Zcoin protocol. Huge, guys. Zcoin is one of the best privacy coin projects out there. He implemented the Zero Coin protocol in the Ethereum virtual machine, built the core code for the forefront of client and led the creation of and integrations with major wallets. Prior to his work at Zcoin, he was a developer at several software firms. So you guys can clearly see that there's a team here that is doing a fantastic job. You know, they're openly announcing who they are. So plus there's an incentive to hodl the coins and not dump them on the markets. I think it's going to do great. Now, if we read a bit of the white paper, okay, just regarding the white paper itself, if we see it right now, you know, so let's look at one example here. Okay, basically, how does it work? Step one is the initiation. Mint ONIO token associated with the event. And an O token is minted at the time of prediction launch for any event. The O token is rewarded. The prediction pod is rewarded. The prediction pod if the event turns out positively. The IO token is rewarded. The prediction pod if the events turn out negatively. Okay. Examples: Event A: the Packers win the 9-13 game. Event B: Tesla stock has positive close on August 15th. Event C: Bitcoin price exceeds 20K in 2020. The O tokens win if the events turn out positive. For example, for Event A, Packers win the game. The IO tokens win if the event turns out negatively. For example, for Event A, Packers lose the game. Initiation process: for each event, 3 smart contracts are launched. One contract acts as the escrow for the funds, one for the minter of the O tokens, and one as the minter of the IO tokens. The escrow contract distributes rewards to either O or IO tokens depending on which side wins. Further, the odds are decided based on how many tokens are minted of each side. So there's a minimum of $50,000 has been escrowed in total in order for smart contracts on an event to launch. No prediction can exceed 10% of the outstanding pot. This means initial predictions cannot exceed $55,000. But if the pot grows, then the maximum prediction can also grow. If the pot reaches $500,000, for example, then the maximum prediction can be raised to $50,000. Moreover, more than 90% of the market cannot make predictions on one side of the event. Whenever an O or IO token is minted, the odds are displayed in the UI. Okay, this ensures the market is able to see when the odds are reasonable based on their predictions. For example, Tesla stock price exceeds $3,000 in 2020. At event launch, $0 has been escrowed. User 1 believes that event will be positive. TSLA exceeds $3,000 in 2020, and so he predicts $5,000 on O tokens. At this point, that event cannot launch. Users 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are bullish on Tesla and hence also predict 5,000 on O tokens. At this point, the event has 45,000 long on O tokens. At 90% of the event, participants are predicting one side of the event. User 10 must mint an IO token or else the event does not launch. If user 10 were to predict against Tesla price of $3,000 with the speculation of $45,000, thereby making a total pool worth of $90,000, and the prediction of the O versus IO 50-50 odds, more users can come and predict in favor of Tesla pricing being $3,000 in 2020. Okay, token minting: each full O or IO token is denominated as $100 at event launch. These tokens are fractional, so 0.01 tokens will be $1. Each event contract, which acts as the escrow, has a participation limit date. The event must reach a pot of $50,000 or more to start. Take an event predicting whether or not Tesla stock exceeds $3,000 in 2020. It starts with $30,000 prediction towards O tokens, which aim for a positive conclusion to the event, and $20,000 prediction towards IO tokens, which aims for a negative conclusion to the event. This event has a $50,000 minimum pot and so can initiate. At event launch, each O and IO token is equal to $100. 300 O tokens equals $30,000 and 200 IO tokens equals $20,000. If a few weeks after the launch people become bearish on Tesla stock price, the value of O tokens may halve. If O tokens become worth $50 on the live market due to bearish sentiment, then the 300 minted O tokens are now collectively worth $15,000. Meanwhile, the IO tokens should now be worth $175 each, as only 200 of them were minted, as few people were bearish on Tesla at launch. Collectively, the 200 IO tokens are worth $35,000 and the 300 tokens are worth $15,000. In typical prediction markets, the predictors have to wait till event conclusion to redeem their money. At the point O tokens split, Token split all the money from IO tokens if Tesla indeed crosses $3,000 in 2020. Alternatively, IO tokens split all the money from O tokens if Tesla fails to cross $3,000 in 2020. OpenPredict changes the dynamics by giving predictions a liquid value, tradable on any decentralized marketplace beyond prediction gains. This opens room for minting revenue. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I see a huge money-making opportunity right here in this DeFi space. This is such a unique concept, such a unique aspect. You've never been able to liquefy, create a liquid value for predictions, right? I mean, you're making money making predictions, guys. I mean, that's technically amazing. Okay, so step 2, minting and trading. So then you guys can read everything about all this. I mean, I'm gonna read till step 2, and then you guys can look at all the secondary part of what trust swap is, what trust predict is, what the O swap can do, right? If we look at step 2, the minting and trading section, for events launched, minters play the essential role of creating the market. Minters pay a 1% fee when they claim tokens. Whenever an O or IO token is traded, the smart contract ties 0.1% fee of the transfer and sends it to the initial minter. This system encourages token minting. Furthermore, minters have the option to create liquidity for their O or IO tokens on Uniswap and enjoy the trading fees. So again, another great money-making opportunity. Not only are you making money with just doing your predictions, but you're also making money by providing liquidity of these O and IO tokens on Uniswap. Okay, and the OPT is the main token, guys, which is running the which is the main thing regarding OpenPredict. And I think that in itself, because of all of this action taking place, that's just going to go so much higher in value within itself. So trading the O and IO tokens becomes naturally desirable if the market price of the token does not affect realistic odds. Suppose Tesla stock prices is predicted to cross $3,000 in 2020, but Tesla misses its third quarter earnings. At event launch, all O and IO tokens were valued at $100. There simply could be more O or IO tokens depending on sentiments at the time of event launch. Very, very cool, guys. However, after weeks pass and the company misses its earnings, Tesla stock reaching 3,000 becomes less likely, and hence the market should rightfully price the O tokens less and IO tokens more. This is where natural trading volume comes into play to reprice the tokens. It's kind of like a rebase sort of a concept, guys. And I haven't talked. I knew I was going to talk about rebase concept, but I will do that in another video. But this is an opportunity I don't want you guys to miss. So I'm making this video right now. The reason is that if Tesla is very unlikely to reach $3,000 in 2020, then holders of O tokens recognize the token will be worth $0 at event finalization, and IO tokens will get all the money in the pot. This leads to hide and sell volume in O tokens till the market feels true pricing is reached. The inverse is true for IO tokens. The market would buy out IO tokens, pricing them higher as they will be more likely to win the entire pool of funds. If IO tokens in the example cited above, in which $30,000 is predicted on Tesla reaching $3,000 in 2020 and $20,000 is predicted on Tesla not reaching $3,000 in 2020, then $50,000 will be shared across 200 tokens. This would drive tokens that were initially priced at $100 to be worth $250. Meanwhile, O token will be worth $0. So it's a very, very cool concept, guys. And basically, you guys can read the remaining of the white paper. I mean, I've read most of the main concept because I really wanted you guys to understand this concept. You guys should reread it if you still don't get it. I see a massive money-making opportunity with this one, guys. And currently, it's right now. Yesterday was $8. Today it is $10.61. So it's rising. It's rising, guys. And there's a massive opportunity here. And the other coin that I really want to focus on right now, and I think this is going to be a massive one, and I actually hold this token. The ticker is FSW. You can also get this on Uniswap. I have 1,046 tokens right now of this. It's called Falconswap, guys. Now, what is Falconswap? Falconswap is the powerhouse of DeFi. Falconswap is a layer 2 scaling solution built on Uniswap and further extendable to aggregate other DeFi platforms like Mooniswap, Kyber, Balancer, AirSwap, Banker. So Falconswap is packed with multiple features that will change the way you trade and interact with DeFi platforms like Uniswap. Lower gas fees by aggregating multiple orders, low slippage, layer 2 order matching to save slippage from the pool. Privacy, trade on layer 2 without compromising your privacy, faster transactions powered by layer 2. So guys, as you know, Uniswap is the biggest platform right now, right? And and currently Uniswap fees are extremely high, the Ethereum fees. So, one of the best users is going to be Falconswap. It's launching really soon, and this is going to cut down the fees for when you trade different assets, and it's going to do a fantastic job, I think. It's going to cut down the fees massively. And, there's going to be a token burn when you hold this token. 10% of the trading fees is used to buy and burn tokens. Earn staking rewards from trading fees on Falconswap. Liquidity mine FSW Falconswap tokens when you trade on Falconswap. Fees discount. FSW tokens holders save gas fees and trading fees. Fun fact, guys, the OPT token has partnered with Falconswap as well. So if you do the liquidity mining with those OPT tokens, you actually get the Falconswap tokens as well. Another lucrative, another reason why you should be getting OPT tokens is so you can mine the Falconswap tokens, guys. So the address is here, guys, as you can see for the Falconswap address. Again, the same thing is, you go to Uniswap, you paste that address and you can get it easily, okay? And with whatever asset you have, which is on the Uniswap platform. But Ethereum is the main thing, so I would use that. And so basically, Falconswap, nobody, the fee discounts are basically nobody enjoys paying exorbitant fees to trade on Uniswap. In addition to the listing fee savings available to Falconswap users, FSW token holders will get additional fee discounts of up to 50% to use Falconswap, guys. That's huge. Staking, a part of the fees collected from the Falconswap protocol will be used to buy FSW tokens from the market. These tokens will be distributed to the FSW token staking holders. Trading fees. We all know that Uniswap liquidity providers earn 0.3% of the trading fees. Falconswap protocol implements layer 2 settlements, which will reduce slippage and save trading fees that goes to liquidity providers. A part of the trading fees saved by layer 2 settlements will be used to buy FSW from the market and distributed to Falconswap token staking holders, guys. So the staking is going to launch it. This is a massive earning potential here. The fees, the people that use the platform to, when these tokens burn, the holders of the Falconswap tokens, again, are going to get paid even further and further. The token burn is obviously going to, is going to make the price higher, and it's got a current supply of, if we look at the coin right now on Livecoin, okay, on Livecoin it's 50 cents right now. It's already risen, okay, from the time I bought it. I think when I bought it was 41 cents or something. So it's rising in price, guys. It's got a market cap of 50.61 mil. Okay, total maximum supply is 100 million. Total supply is 100 million coins. Okay, circulating supply is 33 million coins. So it's very, very lucrative, guys. This thing can do, I think, the fact that, something is coming, a platform is coming that can reduce your Uniswap fees massively, okay, is going to absolutely crush it. And I think you holding these tokens right now is going to do a good thing for you. I mean, this is just my personal opinion, not financial advice. Do your own research, guys. Always do your own research for whatever I recommend. But I think this is a massive one, so that's why I got a little small bag here. And as you guys remember I talked about the Clever token. I have Clever, and remember I bought it at $30. I mean, for a while it was above $300. Right now, $221. So I didn't make a profit on this. So I just did a small experiment. If I got 100,000 tokens, I think I would have made quite a bit of a killing right now. As you can see, or even if I got 1 million tokens, and it was very easy to get 1 million tokens at that point. But still, I just wanted to do a small experiment with what $30 could do for me, and as you can see, I'm still in profit, and that feels really, really cool, guys. It feels great, to be honest with you, and I'm very happy about it. Honestly, I'm really, really happy about it. So Clever, I think, has got a great potential. They've got an amazing wallet right now, and where you'll be able to store many, many different cryptos, and you can stake them on the wallet as well. Really, really cool wallet. It's a great project. They made the Tron, official Tron wallet, and now they're doing things much, much grander than just building the Tron wallet. And as you can see, I've already profited from it, and I think they've got a bright future. Moving on, guys, from Falconswap. So very, very huge opportunity. Another huge opportunity, guys, is Magnet.finance. Guys, I don't know what the price will be at the moment, but if we go to Magnet right now, Magnet.finance, it's $7.89, guys. Okay, but here's the opportunity, guys. As in my personal view, not financial advice, just my personal opinion. It went up to $41.81 just a while back. Okay, there's a total supply of 20,000 coins, guys. 21K coins, and circulating supply of 21K coins. The developers did not keep really much of the coins, and so they can't dump it on the market either. Now, I'll tell you what magnetfinance is and why I'm so bullish on it. And see, it's got a low market cap right now, but this thing can rise massively. And, maybe some of you guys might even see some gains like, YFI. I don't know. I really don't know. I can't say. Not financial advice, just my personal opinion. I have 100 tokens right now. As you can see, I'll show it to you on my MetaMask wallet. Okay? We don't know the prices. This is going to be launching in October, guys, and it's going to be humongous. Okay? Absolutely huge in my view because... So what is magnetfinance? It's an all-in-one DeFi wallet. Store, buy, track your DeFi assets. Magnet is an all-in-one DeFi wallet where you can store DeFi assets, buy DeFi projects, track your DeFi assets. You can get the app right now. If you go to the app, okay, secure and safe. So the Magnet wallet, okay, you can get it from Google Play Store, by the way. Offers a radically better crypto that boasts no paper backup, simple addresses, and free transactions. And free transactions, guys, of your crypto assets. That in itself is so huge with all these high gas fees and stuff. And I think, the fact that you'll be able to, do free transactions, this thing has a massive adoption rate right there, a massive adoption scenario right there in front of you guys. With only 21,000 total coins, owning these, I think could make you a lot of money. Just my personal opinion, not financial advice. And it's going to be launching in October, guys. So I'm going to try to buy even some more coins in some time if I can, but right now I have 100 and I'm really happy with these 100 and these things can do wonders. I mean, look what these 15 coins of YFV are doing for me and what these 14 coins of YFFI are doing for me right now. It's crazy. It's absolutely insane, And I think magnetfinance is going to do a wonderful job. They have a solid wallet. It's a solid project, I think. In my personal opinion, not financial advice. And once this thing launches, the adoption rate is going to be huge. So many people are just going to be coming here for, just on the fact that it's free transactions, guys. Who doesn't like free transactions? So plus it's going to be on the mobile, and tons of people, millions and millions of users on their mobiles, and those getting into crypto right now, and especially with the DeFi niche being so hot. I think this thing can go to insane prices. Just my personal opinion, not financial advice. So as you know, I took a chance on it. I took out some of my best cryptos. For example, I'll tell you, I'll probably rebuy those like Engine and stuff, but I sold them and I got a bunch of these. Right now, I'm riding the wave. I'm literally riding the wave right now with these coins. And I think Magnet has a really bright future as well. And yeah, guys, and now for the final project, do you guys want to own your own, do you want a piece of the pie? Do you guys want to, imagine if you could own your own exchange, a piece of the pie. So what is that? Burst X, guys. This is a good one, guys. So Burst X, okay, they are doing a 200x leverage, okay, and I don't recommend that for traders, but they have that opportunity. Now they have the government regulations, mandatory license, and red tape stop many investors from entering the crypto exchange, therefore missing out on reliable or profitable investment opportunities. Many exchanges today are built on old and outdated platforms, making them vulnerable to attacks and exploits. Each day, over 40 billion USD is traded on exchanges worldwide, resulting in exchange profiting millions. Very few exchanges offer marginal trading, and if they do it is for a very low amount. We see this as an issue and a limiting factor for any trader. Marginal trading leverage is necessary for cryptocurrencies to become mainstream tradable assets. Okay, solutions. Burst is the first crowd-owned exchange, meaning all profits and are distributed amongst BEX token holders. You guys see the massive potential here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can see it right here. Okay, BurstX is built on the Burst blockchain, one of the fastest, secure, and most eco-friendly blockchains to date. Achieving just a small market share will result in $1 million profits for BEX token holders. Up to 200x leverage allows our traders to perform to their highest abilities and potential. Why Burst? Is a completely decentralized cryptocurrency run by an open source community of skilled and enthusiastic developers. Burst is mined using proof of capacity technology and finally making mining eco-friendly. Proof of capacity allows Burst to make instant transactions and be infinitely scalable, giving us an advantage over our competitors. The Burst blockchain enabled us to provide a fast, secure, and trusted environment. So guys, I'm bullish on this. I got about like 48,000 coins, okay? And right now they're still on the exchange where I got them. I got them from Livecoin. You can buy this on Bittrex, and there's a lot of liquidity for this coin, but I got it from Livecoin because that was available to me. Now, how do you buy this coin? I mean, you guys can check burstx.io to check out the whole video, but the concept is very simple. They're doing a crowdfunding right now, okay, for this, where one BEX is equal to one burst, okay. Now, once you get the BEX token, you guys are going to be owning a piece of the pie of this exchange. Now, when this thing goes crazy, when people are trading on this, when the fees are being done, as an investor, you co-own the exchange along with anybody else. So you guys are going to be getting profits from holding your coins, because you're holding a share of the exchange. Do you see the massive opportunity here, guys? Because I see it, as clear as day. And right now, I bought it at 0.001. It's risen a little bit, but the interesting point is that if you basically what you do is you buy the coins, okay, then you go to one of the wallets, okay. Now what I got was the Phoenix web wallet, okay. I got the web version of the wallet, okay, and online wallet. See, Phoenix Online, okay. I got that wallet, all right. And then what I had to do was I had to use one of the faucets, okay, and to activate my wallet, which sends some free burst tokens to activate the wallet, from the faucet. What I will do is I will leave a link for you guys for the faucet in my video description, okay? If you decide to get the burst token and you guys want to activate your wallet and stuff, and you want to transfer. So once you transfer your burst tokens to your online wallet, but before you have to activate it, I'll leave the link to the faucet in the description box, okay? Just for your own convenience, because trust me, I want to help you guys as much as possible. And so once you do that, what you do is you go to the BurstX scene here, you look at the address, okay, and you send your burst tokens to this address from your burst wallet, okay. And once you've done that, they'll be exchanged for your BEX tokens, okay. And now you're holding them. So there's 74 days left, 3 hours and 48 minutes. Get in on the action, guys. They've got a pretty great team as well. Their team includes George Felicita Jr. That's a community manager. He's worked for 5 years as a production manager in the manufacturing industry and handling people and evaluating processes. Then switched to work as a freelancer and learn about cryptocurrency. Started as a bounty hunter, worked with top agencies in the crypto industry, and studied marketing as well as further helping other blockchain projects. All right, then we've got Rodrigo Salonga Jr. Okay, he's got 2 years of experience doing management tasks for a cryptocurrency exchange. Rodrigo's previous job included managing Telegram, Reddit, Facebook, and chat support. He has access to 100+ private crypto-related groups and other investor connections. Then we've got Jay Hong, okay, native Korean speaker who lived in the United States for 10 years, including high school and university, later working for a UK crypto company as assistant manager for their Korean team. His job was to promote the company in the Korean market along with managing agents using social media and domestic Korean websites. Then we've got Stefano Wolf, double master's degree in marketing and entrepreneurship. After his master's degree, Stefano worked as regional director's right hand for Canon. Since then, Stefano runs a business in wealth management and encourage investments in green funds and cryptocurrencies. Okay. Then we've got Matthew James, okay, who's a community engagement manager. Then we've got Levi Lang, PR manager, China. Then we've got Andre Volshin, he's a cryptonomics advisor. And we've got Hogyun Cook, he's the marketing guy in Korea. Okay, and he actually worked at a music management company as an office manager for 2 years in Vienna, Austria. So, and then we've got Maria Tokaria. Okay, she's got 11 years of experience in sales, marketing, advisory, and 3.5 years of working experience with crypto projects. Maria has assisted several global projects with their customer support for social channels, emails, and chat support. Has been part of 75+ successful projects. Okay, we've also got Andrei Romanov. He's a marketing specialist. Okay, he was featured in the top 50 best crypto advisors on ICO Bench. All right. There's a pretty big team, guys. I mean, you guys can read all about the team, on on their website on burstx.io. Okay, but I think this is an opportunity that you may not want to miss. I mean, like in a year, you guys could be making so much money, it's not even funny. So you guys can read all about this. I've already explained the process to you. I will leave the Burst faucet for you to activate your wallets. As you know, you can download the wallet. You can actually get the online web wallet on burst-coin.org/wallet. I'm going to leave a link for that as well for you guys. Okay. So basically, you get the wallet, you activate it by sending some Burst through the faucet, which is totally free, onto your Burst address. I'm going to leave the link for that in my description box. I'm going to leave the links for certain tokens that you can add to Uniswap easily, so that there's no issue for you guys, for the coins that I've talked about. And finally, I hope that this video gives you a lot of value. I hope this video gives you some perspective as to what the potential is right now, because you guys need to make your money work for you guys. And right now the hodling mentality is great for certain things, but honestly, right now, ride the wave with whatever's hot right now, because it's just my personal opinion, not financial advice, because I think you guys could be making a lot more money and then reinvest that into your solid projects. And that's kind of my approach right now. And I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope this has given you a chance to look at certain opportunities. And obviously, any project that shows their team is a lot more reliable than yield farming projects. However, the yield farming niche is so hot right now that not jumping on it, in my personal opinion, and not financial advice, is just not going to be a very smart move, guys. And so yeah, guys, get in on the action, and please let me know if you guys need me to look into a project. Okay, and this is me, the DeFi enthusiast, signing out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Bye.